Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a happy cap seller named Toppy. He carried a big basket full of colorful caps, red, blue, yellow, and green. And every day he walked through the village singing, "Caps for sale! Colorful caps! Bright caps for everyone!" One hot sunny day, Toppy felt tired. So he found a big shady tree and said, This looks like a perfect spot to rest." But up in the tree lived some naughty monkeys. They saw Toppy sleeping and climbed down slowly, tiptoe, tiptoe. And guess what? They grabbed his colorful caps from the basket one by one. Then they climbed back up the tree wearing the caps like kings. When Toppy woke up, he looked at his empty basket and shouted, "Oh no! My caps are gone!" He looked up and saw all the monkeys wearing his caps. They were laughing and swinging on the branches. Narrator scratched his head and thought, I have an idea. He took off his red cap and threw it gently on the ground. The monkeys watched him closely, and then, one by one, they all took off their caps and threw them down too. What copycats! Narrator smiled wide. He picked up all the caps from the ground, put them back in his basket, and walked away singing, "Caps for sale! Thank you, silly monkeys." And that's how the clever cap seller got all his caps back. The lesson? When you're smart and calm, you can solve any problem.